Hi, my name is Gavin. I'm the operations manager at Due North. We're located in Georgetown, Ontario, and we also have another manufacturing facility in Brampton as well. We've been using Epicor at our company for about 12 months. We went live in November of last year. We manufacture commercial refrigerators and freezers, primarily selling into the United States in a variety of different industries, but primarily pet food, ice cream, and micro markets. I was involved in some of the preliminary meetings with the Success sales team. I did play a fairly big role in the implementation. I was a part of our core implementation team. The implementation went well. It took 12 months, which was quick. We were moving from 2 different MRP systems and 2 different companies and moving into one system. Epicor has definitely helped us tie our 2 locations together, especially coming from 2 vastly different systems. One site was using a lot of paper still, and we've gone largely paperless and been able to kind of marry those 2 systems together. One of the critical requirements we were looking for with Epicor and with Success was finding a software that would integrate our financial requirements and accounting. We came from 2 different legacy software systems for accounting, and we wanted to ensure that whatever system we moved forward with would cover that as well. In terms of specific operational objectives, the key one would be to get better visibility into labor tracking. That was a huge one. We want to know where the costs are coming from and where we can make improvements in those areas. Beforehand, we would have been using some generic time studies, working with our custom MRP system that we had in place before, in conjunction with, our accounting software as well. So I still kind of feel like I'm scratching the surface in terms of what you can do with it and what tools are available. It's constant learning with Epicor, and I do enjoy that aspect of it. Currently, we're still in very much the normalization period where we're looking at what's next. We've got a lot of modules that we're still looking at getting the most out of and fitting them into our processes. So we've learned how to use all the various modules. A lot of that learning has come with working with Success consultants. Worked greatly with us. They were on site and accessible almost all the time, and also some of the online web resources that you can access through Epicor as well. Epicor has streamlined our visibility into our operations by giving us real-time data for both manufacturing plants. That's been the biggest bonus so far, especially coming from 2 different systems. We can now see everything kind of all in one room. The advantage is identifying similarities in processes, areas for costing improvements, identifying suppliers or potentially common suppliers or superior suppliers that one site may have had that the other wasn't aware of, and also identifying additional capacity resources as well. There's been opportunities where capacity is in short supply at one site. We're able to move production builds from one plant to the other to meet our customers' needs and ensure that production capacity is being utilized at all times. I think what I enjoyed most about working with Success Partners was the engagement and actually the enthusiasm for what they were teaching us. I know that's not always easy. With working with software, it's not always the most exciting, but there did seem to be an enjoyment of working with the program and actually assisting us with finding what tools in the system will best work for our processes coming into it. I found the professionalism of the Success Partners to be top tier. They were great to work with.